Today I will change these connectors to the Nanotech, Turnigy Nanotech batteries, to the bigger ones that can handle more current, like the ones on my LiPo, the HV ones. So you notice the difference between those connectors. Yeah, it's substantial. These ones don't fly, these fly. The process is really straightforward. You need to heat up this plastic shroud holding the connector down, so you can remove and solder this one. So you need a heat gun. So the best way I found is to take your soldering iron and simply desolder the old connectors. Remove as much as you can from this gooey stuff, this hot glue. I'm using not the best quality connectors, and they don't have silicone wire like this one, and I think if you would to use these quality connectors, you will get this really clean and good looking. But yeah, I had this one only. Those are really really bad quality wires. Yeah, real bad. Put the wires through the connector, so they are poking like this. And I use this helping hand to secure it in place. I don't know if you can see it, but I just solder these tabs together. So that's that. You have this cheap Nanotech battery with the same connector as the one on this awesome my LiPo, and I just reheat them one more time so the hot glue will bite into the cover one more time, so I don't need to reapply the hot glue. So yeah, just sit the battery in, and that's and it's also a good idea to check if you solder the poles right. Yep. all good.